In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your website on Squarespace. Whether you're new to Squarespace or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that your website goes live smoothly and efficiently. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Squarespace dashboard. This is where you manage all the crucial aspects of your site, from design to content. If you haven't already, open your browser and go to the Squarespace website, where you can enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once logged in, you'll see a list of sites if you manage multiple websites. Take a moment to identify the specific website you're looking to publish. Once you've selected your desired site, it's time to navigate to the settings, where look towards the bottom left of your screen. You'll find the settings option there. Clicking on it will reveal a list of various configuration and customization settings. Next, you need to locate the website section within these settings. This area holds the key to making your site available to the public. In the website settings, you'll find the Site Availability option. Set this to Public. Changing this setting is essential because it toggles your site's visibility on the web. Until now, your site has likely been private or in a draft mode, only visible to you and any collaborators you've chosen to share it with. Setting your site to public means that anyone on the internet will be able to find and visit your web page, ushering in a brand new chapter of exposure. If your journey through building a site on Squarespace hasn't yet included choosing a subscription plan, now's the time to do so. Without an active subscription, your site cannot go live. Squarespace offers several plan options, each catering to different needs and budgets. Choose the one that best fits your circumstances. Luckily, they make the subscription process quite straightforward. Just follow through their on-screen prompts and complete the payment process securely online. Finally, when you've selected a plan and all steps have been completed, congratulations are in order. Your site is now published. With your website live, you can now share your hard work with the world. Double-check that all aspects of your site are exactly as you want them, because anyone with internet access will be able to view it exactly as it appears online. Remember, this process is not just about making your site accessible, but it's the beginning of showcasing what you've built. Whether you're sharing a personal blog, an online business, or a portfolio, being live on the web opens many opportunities. So take a moment to relish the accomplishment. You've transformed your vision into a publicly accessible reality with just a few clicks on Squarespace.